welcome back to my channel. Glamour Girl 98 here, and it's been a while since I sat down and I talked through a video. I've been kind of like uploading shorts because I'm trying to kind of rebrand my channel. I recently moved into my new home. That was September 28th. It was the end of September. We moved into our new house. And so this channel, I'm still going to be doing some sister locks. As you can see, my hair has grown so much. Um, but I'm also going to be doing a lot of home decor because before we left the Midwest, we got rid of everything because we literally had to drive across country. We're on the West Coast now. And yeah, got rid of basically everything. And it's hurting my feelings so much because a lot of the stuff that I got rid of is like I could use it now. Because as I'm searching for home decor and furniture, I got rid of a lot of the stuff. I don't know if I shared it before, but prior to us leaving the area, we're from Chicagoland area. Before we left the area, we actually had remodeled our home. That was doing the, as I affectionately call it, the panoramic. Um, Back in 2020, we got new flooring. We redid the siding. We did this over the course of, we did a little in 2020, but then we did a bulk of it in 21 and 22. So about 3 years, 2.5 years, we did the remodeling. And prior to us leaving last year, we did the finishing touches. So basically, I had a brand new house from top to bottom. We had been in our home for almost 20 years. We had new siding, new doors, new everything, new flooring. It was just brand new. And so we ended up getting rid of a lot of stuff. So once I came out here, I had an inventory list of the things that I wanted in the home. And yeah, so here I am. I'm in a new house. And instead of me having my cloffice, I think my last few videos there at the house, I had this one room that I used as a closet and an office, hence the word cloffice. And I would film videos in there. But now I'm just in my closet. And so it's a nice size closet. It's a nice walk-in closet. As you see, I have it filled to the hilt with everything that you can imagine. And I still have two other closets full of stuff, clothes. I got rid of a lot of clothes as well because of course, moving from the Midwest, I don't need all of the heavy like coats and everything, but I did keep a couple of my coats and my faux fur because I am like the faux fur girly. I love a good leopard print, a good faux fur, and it does get cool out here in the evening. Look, I've got fur all over the place. Fur. I am going to wear my fur. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I am going to wear my fur. So I did get rid of quite a bit of stuff. But anyway, so what brings me back to kind of like update you on the channel. So I'm still going to be uploading some Sister Locks content because as like I said, as you can see, my hair has grown a lot. And I'm still good, maybe a little fashion, not too much on the fashion because like I got clothes and I don't know. I'm just kind of like trying to go into like a minimalist era, if there is such a thing. But mostly home decor. So anyway, long to short, we moved out here. We have no furniture, and I'm starting from the bottom, and I'm trying to get here. So I want you guys to come along with me on this journey. And I have renamed the channel to Stylish Spaces with Spoon. And I have uploaded some shorts of me going shopping on a hunt for different pieces of decor and furniture. Some of the videos I've uploaded are me shopping for pieces of furniture. I think I uploaded a video of my island stools, my bar stools that I have on my island. I love those. If you haven't seen it, I'll link the video to that. Um, those were the first pieces of furniture that I got because I wanted to have some seating in the kitchen area because I don't have a dining room table. And I recently found my dining room table. I'll be uploading footage of that, me shopping for that. That was so much fun because I had a particular aesthetic I'm looking for. I'm going for that modern, organic, kind of moody feel in the home. So I was very specific as to what I wanted. I know that I wanted an oval table. I've had square tables, I've had rectangular table in the past, but I know that I wanted an oval table, preferably an expandable oval table. That was kind of hard for my list. Um, and I bought, or I'm, yeah, I did. I bought the chairs separately because I didn't want to go with like just the set. You know how you get like the table and the set. Been there, done that when I was younger. I wanted to curate something more mature, more sexy because it's my husband and I. Our children are adults now. We still have one with us, which is fine. The home that we built is big enough for them to come back if need be because everyone's single. And but it's more of a grown-up aesthetic that I'm going for. Let me see. I ordered my chairs from Amazon, and I'm kind of PO'd because the first set of chairs that I purchased were perfect. I'll be uploading a video of that as well. I've got so much stuff to upload. And the second set of chairs, accent chairs that I purchased, do you know those jokers sent me two boxes that were basically busted with all the screws and washers just loose in the box. So I will be heading to my local UPS to return them. They were delivered yesterday and they're going back today. So that's what I have so far. But another thing that I wanted to share with you guys is that I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers. I've been watching her since she began her channel, More Kita. And if you don't know who she is, I will insert her tag and a clip of her footage on this video. I love her, love her, love her. She's also from the Midwest and she recently relocated across the country as well. So she uploaded a video on yesterday, I believe it was, or maybe 2 days ago. I can't remember, but it was of her and her hubby doing Christmas pictures. And she's kind of like myself. She's kind of an empty nester. And she does a lot of fashion, lots of fashion. Love it. She sends me into debt because I end up purchasing whatever she tells me to buy. I know. But one of the things that I've been wanting to get for the past 13 years, or is it 14? I've been on YouTube like 13 years, you guys, just a voyeur. Probably have made videos maybe about 10 years ago, but I always did them with my camera. But Morkita came on with some of the Walmart Black Friday deals that are going on right now, and she influenced me into purchasing a camera. So I'm not using my cell phone anymore. So I purchased this camera and hopefully I'll start turning out more content. Like I said, especially of the house and furniture and decor. I need like feedback. I would love for you to like, comment, and subscribe and tell me what you think I should do as far as like decor. But all input, it will be greatly appreciated. Because like I said, I'm starting from the bottom all over again. I know what I like. I'm going for that moody, organic vibe, modern vibe. And oh my gosh, I got another haul to do. I went to Ross Home Goods, Target, even Dollar General. I found this really cute throw pillow at Dollar General, but I will be filming all those videos with my new vlog camera. So I don't know, it just says digital camera. I didn't even like look at the reviews, but I mean, for what it's worth, it's something for me to start out with. And as I kind of like figure this whole YouTube vlogging thing out, because like I said, I've been using my camera for like 13 years. I'll invest into something a little nicer. So, okay, and here's the book there. Camera warming tips. Oh, it's got Wi-Fi on it. I have to tell you, my husband's grandfather, he loved to take pictures. He was a professional photographer. At their home, they had a linen closet that he actually converted into a dark room when he was younger, and I would help him well, he wasn't using the dark room by the time I met my husband, but I would help him with his picture taking. We bought because as I don't know, like I'm going down a whole rant now. As a child, I was a child print model, so I loved taking pictures, and so his grandfather knew that I loved taking pictures. So anyway, not to say that I was his test subject or anything like that, but I would help him print digital pictures out and everything. You know, people used to go to Walmart and Sam's and stuff to print out their pictures at the kiosk and at the photo department. But then when they started having like printers, digital printers for the cameras, we started doing those, and I would help him. So I enjoyed helping him take pictures. So this is the camera. I don't know if it would be granddad approved, but I think he'd probably be proud. He probably like, girl, you went and bought a camera. What kind of camera you got? You know, I love him. I miss him so much. But anyways, I have me a new digital zoom camera, and it's got accessories to it. I guess this is a battery. Yeah, that's the battery thing part or whatever. Tripod, strap. What's this? The USB cord or whatever. And it came in a case, so that's nice. What else is supposed to be in here? It's got a card, a USB card, a SD card. It's got an SD card. I have to go through it. All right, so, but anyway, that is an update on where I've been, what I've been doing. Do look forward to more videos coming out. I'm going to try to get on a schedule. I like Sundays, dropping videos, and then maybe I can hit somewhere like maybe a Wednesday to drop videos. But again, welcome to Stylish Spaces with Spoon. Say that 3 times. Stylish Spaces with Spoons. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys later. Bye.